Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's Ethereum update for 19 July. And so yesterday I talked about this bullish rectangle pattern and that it was going to break out and move higher. So right now we did actually met the technical target. Is it going to go for the pullback? I don't really know, but this is actually a mini uptrend. So went up, came down, go up, come down, go up impulsively, come down, go up, maybe come down again and continue even higher to that particular price target right now. Okay, so Bitcoin is breaking out. We're about to see Bitcoin potentially go to $24,000 as well. The thing really is that, for me, this is a suspense. I wouldn't like to buy Ethereum after all this extension right now, because I would like to get Ethereum after the pullback. So it never really came down to this level, which is going to be 1237. So I do expect that level to be retested in the future as well. Can it happen now? I don't know. But certainly this is not for me an entry opportunity. I would rather much just go for another coin that really hasn't pumped or is just breaking out to move to the upside and trade that and try to buy it to get my dough out, right? The thing with Ethereum now is that there is a suspense up here, and I told you previously that this is a resistance 1, resistance number 2, resistance number 3. So what's the highest you can go? There is a chance of Ethereum actually making it up here to nearly $1,731. So when you make it up to $1,731, that's where you're gonna make the biggest decision. Potentially my take is get rejected because you've been way overextended. Get rejected and come down for the retest. Now, that's the first scenario. Scenario number 2 is if you do not get rejected over there, then you break it out, you come for the retest, you hold the retest like a boss, then you're looking for even higher targets, and we're going to be taking Ethereum all the way up to $2,900. And that's it for this quick update on Ethereum. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.